Annyeonghaseyo, Shane. Okay, so since you were excused yesterday and we give out Korean bread, so you're gonna receive yours for today. So that Korean bread is from Dongjunim. And we also receive milk for the study room, and that is from Majinim. 감사합니다. Please study hard, okay? 감사합니다. 안녕하세요, Rwana and Sini. Okay, so we actually received 40 pieces of Korean bread. There. And I will give yours. So that is from Dongjunim.
Dongjunim, 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Study well mo guys ha. 감사합니다. 안녕하세요, Jermaine and Annalyn.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so that is Korean bread from Dongjunim, and we also receive milk from Majinim. Dongjunim and Majinim.
Dongjunim and Majinim, 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Please study hard, okay? 감사합니다.